Okay, hello dear friends, good morning, such a beautiful, beautiful morning. So today I want to share with you how to make simple video with what kind of setup. I have some tripod, I have some simple equipment, nothing fancy. You do not need anything fancy. When you make video, make sure you remember two things. One, it can wait. Wait until you are ready. Wait until the surrounding is good. If there is wind, there is noise, wait a little bit. It will save a tremendous amount of editing time. It can wait. Second, no one notices. No one notices. Okay, when we make video, we try to make it perfect. Sometimes there is a pencil on the tabletop, make it not clean, make it not good. There is some people passing by talking something, make it a little bit noisy. You will feel so, oh gosh, how can I make this mediocre audio sound? How do I make this mediocre video? Do not worry about it. Nobody watch your video. Nobody watch your video. Nobody care about it. Okay, I put it into a better sound, better way of saying it. Nobody notices. Nobody notices. Those details, people are so much in a rush. They are not, you are not under scrutiny. You are not under the security, CIA security check. You are not, you are not checked so much. You get one view is already, already so happy. So do not worry too much about those. Just go ahead and make it. And from now on, there will be no microphone. Right now, I am using a microphone. I will put all the equipment I use in the description just in case you want to know it. Maybe that's not a good advertisement for the company. They will say, oh gosh, Hanying uses so cheap materials. Okay, after that, there will be no microphone. Okay, so here is my workplace setup. As you can see, sometimes I make painting and then put it on the floor, and on my work surface, make it as clean as possible. And here is a fixed kind of tripod, and I feel this is you can move around here and there. Later you will see it's charging my iPhone, and the backdrop is my painting. Of course, I will not show you my email. And here is the lighting. I use this light, totally good enough. And this one, I do have a more serious lighting, two of these more serious lighting, totally overrated. You do not need it at all. And we have no place to put it, so I have it. And you can adjust the temperature of the light, but totally not so important. You have this lighting, $14, good enough. Okay, now let's take a look at the camera part, and you can choose the photo mode or video mode. Okay, now we do video, and you can adjust. Okay, and when you paint in detail, move around so that it is very, very clear where you are going to see. And your tabletop does not have to be totally clean, just a little bit you can see you only need to show a little bit of the space. So the rest of your space is messy, not a problem at all. You just need to find a workplace that is around your hand size, and you can zoom in, zoom out for detail. If you do origami, if you do paper cut, if you do knitting, sewing, make sure your the camera get to the right mode. Okay, so sometimes you want to tilt a little bit of the angle so people can see your hand instead of from the top, right? This way they can see the hand, and you need to adjust the light a little bit sideways so there is no shadow. And the light, I put something under it. You can put 10 books, make it tall enough so the light is more spread out but still kind of focused. Okay, now I show you how I set up. So this is very straight, but you want it tilted a little bit. And this side a little bit taller, this side much taller. So it's a little bit tilted, but this is too much tilted. Make it a little bit so the angle is there, and move around here. There you can move in this way. No, there is one going down. Okay, I fix my phone, put it here, and you do not have to add this microphone. I am making this video without any special microphone. Oh, still too much. Make sure there is nothing touching. When you make movement, that shake does not make it very pleasant. So just open up a little bit. I move here a little bit. And also you make sure that this can see you walk. When I walk like this, sometimes I'm comfortable, sometimes not so comfortable, but it's easy for you to see. Now you can see from the camera lens how it looks. Okay, come here. I will walk this way because this is my condition. Okay, now we can take a look at how this looks. You can choose photo, and we are going to do a video, so choose the video mode. You adjust a little bit. See, this painting, it's not, it's a little bit not perfectly correct. It's okay, because this way it shows more focus. And if this way not so good, we can adjust just this all direction adjust. We make the right compromise between you sit comfortable and showing as much as possible. And sometimes you always see when I do painting, I was painting there, I forgot. Then I come back. So yes, we are videotaping, and a lot of time you forgot to do the videotape. And what else? You can zoom in, zoom out. This is zoom in to see the detail. This is an old iPhone, does not magnify too many times. If you have a new iPhone, you can shrink in and expand. And the light, you can move around. See, you can move around the light and show exactly where you want it shows. This way there is no shadow. You can see there's no shadow, and you can see your no battery. Okay, so that is about it. Change the angle and the direction of your camera or of your cell phone. Okay, let's talk about the sound. If you are at home, what I am doing this video does not have any microphone. You are in a quiet place, use your iPhone, use your cell phone, that is good enough. And this is totally overrated. And if you are outside with a lot of noise, have this wind. Wind, you can see outside is very windy, you will need it, but otherwise you do not need this. I have some sponsorship, so I have it. I got it for free, but you totally do not need it. Cell phone by itself is good enough. And if you have a microphone, you will need to care about if this stop it's in the way on your screen, or this makes the white noise. It has much more to think about. Make sure you are quiet, and the room is quiet. If there is noise around, not too much is okay. If their noise is too loud, stop making video. It can wait. It can wait. You wait until they finish their talk. And also another disadvantage, some of this video microphone, it takes the battery from your cell phone. So this is why the cell phone very quickly running out of battery, because it serves your video making and it serves your sound microphone recording. So it's just a lot of work, a lot of burden, a lot of energy spending for your cell phone. Okay, here I am using the microphone so that you can see the difference with or without microphone. I think from now on I will use microphone. The first few minutes, no microphone. And now we talk about the lighting. And as much as possible, go outside. The sunshine, there is nothing more pleasant than sunshine. If it is not big wind and not too noisy, go outside to make video. It makes you look much happier. And if you have to be inside, make sure your background is relatively darker, but not too dark. Sometimes they make like Brad Pitt, like Hollywood star, George Clooney, everything, background is totally dark. You do not look like them. So forget about that. They are too good. Meryl Streep and all these Hollywood stars. We are ordinary people. We are in our ordinary room, just to make everything as much as comfortable, and you have enough light. If your light is too dark, you can use your screen as the light source. Now I will show you. So here is my source with my light source with the background. Okay, you can put some bright background or choose 10-hour, 100-hour wide screen as background. It brings light also. Those can help also. If you do not use your normal light with one layer of kitchen towel, toilet paper, cover it up so it's not too bright on your face. Okay, let's talk about the sound. Normal microphone from your iPhone, from your cell phone is good enough. Once you are close enough, not too close, have this pa pa pa, ch ch ch, especially Chinese, those sound is not very, very pleasant to the ear. Well, some people like it. It's another story. And this mouse sound, it just sound very, very, it just sounds very, very not good. And make sure you are clear sound without too much interference, without too intimate sound. And if you need, have a little microphone. This one is direct microphone. It's not wireless. I need to connect this wire and put it here. Good enough. You use wireless, might be good, but there is this white noise bigger than this. And also use as simple as possible like this. When you go to street, put it here, and with your gimbal walk around. And even there is big noise surrounding, because those kind of microphones distinguish distance. Your mouth is close to it. It catches the sound just that distance. And once you start to use it, I just feel that it's kind of able to distinguish the closer sound source. Something like a fire brigade 20 meters away, or 100 meters away, 200 yards away. It does not, even if you hear it very, very loud, it may not get to this as loud. So do not worry about further distance sound, because our biological ear are much, much sensitive than all this. We can use our heart to listen. We can use our sense to listen. But this kind of microphone only use vibration and distance to distinguish the sound. So have this microphone ready if you are in a noisy place, if you want to do something voice over or something. But otherwise, your cell phone is good enough. Okay, so with this, I will conclude my video. If you have any question, let me know so that I can do more specifically to gear to particular demand. This is not for expert. If you are a smart aleck, just ignore this video. This video is, I will call it, how to make video by dummy. By me. I am proud. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Et c'est vrai. 真的。真的。